warm-up.
Demonstration test terapanya ya?
First, we will start with a short warm-up where I will ask you some questions to find out more about you. This part is not assessed. What sports do you like?
I like archery because that was my hobbies, and I'm also joined a club for archery. I've already played archery since like 1 year ago, and I'm already interested like since I was in the middle school. Since right now too, also. Yeah.
What do you do to relax?
Maybe like just lay down at my room and after watching Netflix, watching film, watching movies, and or maybe read a book, read a novel, writing poems, and anything.
What kind of films do you like?
Actually, I really like many films because I cannot choose what's my favorite. My favorite was maybe like a horror movie or comedy, romance, also science fiction, that like that because I think that was really fun to watch.
The first assessed part of the test is an interview. I'm going to ask you some questions about science and technology. Try to say as much as you can for each question. In this part here, you won't be able to see the questions. So if you don't understand any words or the meaning of the question, please make sure you ask your examiner in the real exam. Do you think science is an important topic for students to learn about? Why or why not?
Actually, yes, because I am a science student, and if you want to go to the college and you want to take a medical, if you want to be like a medical student, you really need science, and if you want to be an engineering, you need to take science because you need the physics. And like if you want to be an architect, you need to get the science too, and science also help us to know what's wrong with our body. Like if you want to if you want to go to the doctor, science also help us to do anything actually, like math or like physics, also like before biology and also chemistry.
Tell me about a science fiction story that you know and if you liked it or not.
Oh, for science fiction stories, I really like Joko Anwar series. It was Midnight and Daydream. Actually, I forgot the title. It was like a Hollow Earth, the theory of Hollow Earth, because I really like Hollow Earth. I really like theory. I mean, and also I like the story. I like the story. I like the theory, and also I really love like before. I really love.
Do you think technology in our homes can make us lazy? Why or why not?
For me, it depends on to the person. Like if you know, like the robots, vacuum robots, it's not make us lazy, but it's easy for us to clean our house. We can do another things still for wait to the vacuum robot, or like electricity, like maybe like television is not make us lazy. It depends of how we use that, and also
The second assessed part of the test is a short talk. I will give you a card and you will have 1 minute to read it and think about what you want to say. You should talk about the points on the card. You can't make any written notes, but you can ask me if there's anything that you do not understand. You may keep the card until the end of the test. In the case of this video, I'm just going to show it. Your school is introducing a new technology course, and there are two choices: robotics or artificial intelligence. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of each option, and then say which choice you prefer and why. You now have up to 2 minutes to talk about the topic on the card. I will stop you after 2 minutes, but do not worry if you have not finished. Let's start.
Okay, for the advantages of robotics, for me, it's we can, of course, we can make a robot, and we can like make our life easier. Like we can make our own robots, like what we wanna do, what for the robot is, and but it's also have a disadvantages. Maybe it's for me, maybe it's a little bit boring and also really really difficult for me. But for artificial intelligence, the advantages is, of course, we can it can help ourselves. Like maybe if you want to use for searching or anything, and we can make our own artificial intelligence. But disadvantages, it's also like maybe sometimes some people use that for not good reason. And for each option, I prefer for do maybe artificial intelligence, but because in my mind that was more easy than robotics. Because artificial intelligence for me, it's like you just use your laptops and website or anything that we use. But robotics, we really need the thing. We need more. We will spend a lot of money for that. But for artificial intelligence, maybe it's not that much, not that much money. Cause then robotics, maybe it's like not actually not that different, but it will save a little bit of money than robotics.
Now let's move on to part 3 of the test. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions related to the topic you have just talked about. This part of the test will last approximately 3 minutes. Do you think students should be allowed to use AI in schools?
Yes, but not as much as really, but because AI was really helpful student, like for searching, like for know how to do the question, like maybe math, we can ask the AI for how to do it, not only the answer, but AI will also give us the reason, will always give us the step by step for use that. And but it depends on the person too. But for me, maybe yeah, because for student we really need that. We really need AI.
Artificial intelligence will replace all jobs. Do you agree or disagree with this statement?
I'm agree with that, but I'm a little bit not agree because a human was also good for do some jobs because AI was created by human too. So maybe one day AI will replace all of that, but we will need some human, some person uh, to do the operational of the AI. To maybe that's all.
Do you think robots could ever replace humans in certain jobs completely? Why or why not?
No, because for me, robots was made by human. Robot was created by human, and sometimes robot will have some like error system, and if that happen, and that will make so many budget for uh, for replace that. So that's why human cannot replaced by the robot or any type of robot like artificial intelligence or anything, because humans still good at everything.
Thank you. This is the end of the test.